June 29, pipick up na namin ang aming battery today. While we are on our way, we are going to answer some of your comments. Bakit merong isolator switch sa ating rooftop? It is actually an optional. So, pwedeng meron siya, pwede siyang wala. But for our convenience, inilagay namin siya doon just in case, let us say, nasa taas na kami and then suddenly we decided na kailangan namin maglinis or something. So, mas mabilis sa amin na mag-on and off kapag nasa taas ang switch. It is an IP66 rated equipment, which means it is dustproof, waterproof, and can be used outdoors. By the way, there is another set of PV isolator switch near the inverter. Please share to us your experience para ma-improve namin ang aming project. Your inputs may help other aspiring DIYers out there who wants to do the same